Hello. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel Code Others. And today's topic is about the instructor whom I have chosen. So there are many talented instructors who are available in the market. One among them is Najir Hussain. He's a creator of Zero Analyst. He's an experienced data professional specializing in data analysis, automation, and machine learning. His expertise spans various essential tools like SQL, Python, Power BI, and advanced Excel, all of which are critical for anyone looking to enter or advance in the data field. So, here's why I think he stands out and why I choose him for my learning journey. The first point is practical focus. So, Nazar emphasizes real world applications of data analysis, helping learners build practical skills that can be directly applied to their jobs. His tutorials cover not just concepts but also how to implement them in live projects. The second point is comprehensive learning. He offers structured courses and workshops that guide you through learning SQL, Python, and data visualization tools step by step. This approach ensures you build a solid foundation while progressing to advanced topics. The third point is mentorship and personalization. So, Nazir provides personalized mentorship programs where he guides learners individually to enhance their data skills and secure jobs. His motto is that it takes just 90 days of focused effort to make a significant career change. And the fourth one is free resources and interview prep. So, Nazir he generously shares free resources including SQL and Python interview questions, resume templates, and data projects, which are invaluable for preparing for interviews and building your portfolio. And the fifth most important is student access. So many learners have praised Naz's ability to simplify complex concepts and guide them effectively. His mentorship has helped several students secure positions as data analysts or data engineers, etc. So, in short, I choose Nazir because he's is a dedicated to helping people like me, beginners, master the skills necessary to succeed in data industry. His clear explanations, hands-on teaching, and supportive resources are exactly what I need to grow in my career. So let me walk through the his website. So this is zeroanalyst.com. So it's his personal website. So where you can book one-to-one and ask him any personal questions or doubts which you have in your career or etc stuff. So his two skills are Python, SQL, data visualization tools, Power BI, Excel, and many more. And for example, if you want, and he has, for example, for interview tips, he provides 50 SQL interview questions and many more, like 100 and etc. If you go to his GitHub, so there are tons of resources where you actually can access for free. And for example, if you go to the free SQL resource, so here you can find an Excel sheet where he has updated like all the free data projects which can be accessible, where you can go to the YouTube as well. So if you go to the YouTube, he has a playlist where like you can go for a SQL project series, 100 days challenge, and 30 days of Python, and SQL from scratch for beginners. It really helped a lot for many people. So yes, so that's pretty much it. And the next video which I'll be starting is I have already prepared a few. Let me go to here. So for example, like I have created a table called orders, and like I have inserted the rows into the table orders. So these are the list of questions which I have prepared by myself, so where we will be solving one by one. Even I am a newbie as you guys, so let's go along hand by hand and make sure if you guys can complete, if you guys know how to solve this stuff and all, so you can drop me in the comment section, so that thing would be great. So if there's any mistake from my end, and if any user or viewer who is much advanced, he can guide me as well, so and I would really appreciate that. So yeah, so let's see, and let's wait for the next video to come up, and thanks a lot. Take care.